Time to clean out the fridge, and the fridge honestly is embarrassing. It's very messy. And this is the end result after the clean out. First, I'm just going to spray out the shelves and wipe them down. Cleaning out this shelf. This is where the kids have like their salads and things, and they often forget about the avocado. Kind of gets pushed to the back. Now where we store all the fruits and things, just spraying that out and cleaning that container out. Top shelf, just easy access for the butter and things, and then the dog's food is also stored there. And now just restocking a few things in here from our shop. Putting in the meat and things for the meals for the week. And it's all done. And that's just my fridge tidy up and restocking.